Alright guys, so today we are going to work on the rear suspension on the Ranger chassis for the Camry build. We are going to be lowering the suspension in the back. The goal is to flip the axle on top of the leaf springs to get at least a decent amount of lowering on the back. And then we'll see how low that gets us and go from there. Oh, the shocks are holding it. That's what's going on. It's definitely going to do it. It'll be a lot easier than all that stuff we went through with mine.
I think that's coming out.
What if we tried heat?
Much better.
There we go. That's the wrong way! You idiot.
Who's the idiot?
Much nicer. Okay. Anybody want a performance catback? No more bumper. Still stuck in there?
There we go.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the axle on top of the leaf springs, and now we're going to start getting it all bolted back together and installed. Try to get it there if you can.
How do you come up with these ideas?
You came up with this idea.
You're a genius.
Alright, stop there. There you go. Hang on, try that. There we go.
Golden.
Shoot. Alright, let's see how low this thing gets. Should be a good bit. Whoa.
It's pretty good.
That's, yeah.
Even though we got a
That's
flat
full
tire
6
there.
inches, yeah. Full 6 inches at least. I mean, even not including that tire. I mean, look at that side.
Thumbs up for a crappy job.
So Brian just abandoned me and went for a drive. Like, I was working on the Camry and he literally just like jumped in the car and took off. And I can hear him like hooning around down on the road. So I'm gonna wait for him to come back. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh! He hit it! He hit the Camry! He hit the Camry! He hit it! Oh, come on. Come. Are you kidding? We're gonna have to get a whole new front for it now.
We were gonna have to do that anyway.
No, we weren't. That one's going on your credit card. Holy crap. Well, he made a good tow point anyway. I was afraid to put the chain around that earlier because I was going to scratch it up, but it's been a little more than scratched now. I broke that. Light it up! So we had a slight accident with the red car, so we're going to rescue it.
Possible the wheel fell off again.
Just possible.
I don't know why I done it. Keep falling off. Damn.
And there she sits. Ah, dang it. I missed. Oh, that looks familiar. Old burnout tire.
Maybe. Yep.
Ooh, yeah. So for today.